Hey guys, I'm back at my local CVS. I have to pick up something and I'm gonna run inside and see if I can do my deals today and show you if they turned out like I said they would or thought they would. Okay guys, I'm over in Razors, but first I want to show you the deal that I did with the Cetaphil that I told you I was going to do. And I've already purchased those. I've sized them up, and that was with the 2 big jars of the Cetaphil and the 1 bar soap. And I'm kind of glad that I didn't get the deal yesterday because it came out even cheaper. So look at this. They're my large Cetaphils at, how much are they? $16.49. See, the bar soap is $5.79. I got an extra coupon just by waiting for a day, and that was for the Cetaphil $2 off. I had the $5 off 2 Cetaphil products, the 5 off 30 facial care, the 2 $4 off Cetaphil CRTs, manufacturer coupons. And then I told you I was going to use my $10 CVS ECB that I got from doing the Eucerin deal. I also used a beauty buck and my quarterly bucks. So my total actually came to $2.77 instead of 5 something plus tax. So I paid less than what I thought I was going to pay, by a little more than $2. I paid $5.27, and the bar of soap was $5.79. So not bad. Well, I came back over to Razors. Oh wait, and I forgot to show you. I also got my $15 rewards back. So yay! All right. So I came over to Razors, and I think I scanned these last time. Guys, I don't know what happened. I know I scanned these, and it showed up on my card. And it said, woohoo, you have something, bonuses or whatever, coupons for these. It's not. So I don't know what happened, but it turns out I had to move on down to these really, really, really cheap ones. And it does work on these. And I'm not sure that's in the right place, but I got these. So my deal is still the same. They are right here. I have a $5 off digital coupon. I have 2 $5 off P&G coupons. I have a $5 off Shave Needs. This is $24, guys. My coupons come to $20. I have a $4 for spending $20 off my next purchase, which I'm going to use and just pay tax. And before I forget, that Cetaphil deal was included with the Spin 35, get a $15 extra buck back. These are some of the other items that are included with that, but I just really use Cetaphil. That's a big deal in our house. Okay guys, it looks like today is actually working out for me. I am so excited. Okay, so the Colgate Max is on sale. What is it? It's not a sale, but it's a deal. When you buy 2, you get a $4 extra buck, and you can do the deal up to 2 times. Now, the last deal I told you was going to be on the razors. So I'm going to follow up after the razors, paying just tax. I'm going to get that $8 extra buck for buying the razors. I'm now going to come over here and I'm going to pick up 4 Colgate Max. I'm going to make sure that they match, because sometimes if they don't, it just, I don't know, sometimes they just don't work. But there are 4 of these. I'm going to pick up 4. Now here's what my math is going to look like, guys. This is truly on the fly. Okay, so $3.59, that's how much they are, times 2 is $7.18. That would be a total of, yeah, $7.18. I'm going to do the deal twice. All right, so I'm going to pay $14.36, and the reason I'm doing that is because I have a $3 off when you spend $12 on Colgate products. See that there? I also, and that's a store coupon. I also have a $2 off select Colgate, and this one was included. It did pop up. Have mercy if it didn't. I'm going to be upset. And then I have a $1 off manufacturer coupon. My total is then going to be $8.36, and I'm going to use that $8 extra buck that I got from the razors to roll over into this and pay 36 cents plus tax. Okay, I had to pull over and make sure that I had my 2 coupons. They've been in my purse for a couple of days. A little worse for the wear and tear, but they're still readable. Heading to checkout. Okay, I had to come outside and show you my deals, guys. All right, so this is an example of good, the bad, and the ugly, but I just went with it because it was still totally worth it. So you saw my Cetaphil deal where I bought all those items, and I lucked up getting that extra $2 Cetaphil digital coupons in my account, which I got yesterday. So $2.77, I was originally going to pay 5 something plus tax. It came to $5.27 without that, and I got my $15 extra buck back. So then what I did was I kept my extra buck, but remember I did the razor deal. I had the $5 off coupons from the P&G and the digital, and initially I had the shave coupon. I am so upset because look at this, guys. My shave, 5 off 20 shave, disappeared. It's gone. So instead of paying 97 cents, I paid $4.97 plus tax. but I couldn't let that go because I wanted to do my next deal. I did buy my 3 razors. I got my $8 extra buck, but then I flipped that right on over into my Colgate because my mom loves that one. And on this deal, it was buy 2 and get a $4 extra buck, and you could do the deal up to twice. So here's what that receipt looks like. I'm trying to pull it up and get it ready. So I bought 4 of them, doing the deal twice at $3.49 each. My total coupons came off. I had a $1 off Colgate, a $3 off when you spend 12 Colgate or Oral Care, a $2 off Select Colgate, and that $4 off 20 that I told you I was going to use. So look at this. It came to $0, and I just paid tax because I used that $8 extra buck right there where it says $7.96. That was the $8 extra buck that I would have had on that. So I paid tax on the toothpaste. So guys, not bad at all. I spent $2 something on that. I spent tax on that. I did spend $5 on that. But when you consider it $6, maybe $7 for all that, the bar soap was $5.49. So guys, I think I did pretty good. I'm glad my system is back up. It was about to run back down again, and she barely got this one in before the system went out again. They were back on the phone with IT. So I hope you guys get out and you make some great deals. And somebody mentioned doing Google Docs. Well guys, since I only have one job now, I'm so excited. I couldn't keep up with the 2. I'm going to try to learn to do that and put Google Docs below. So if you like these deals, you can follow them too. Until next time, happy couponing.